Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you this GLM has created its own graphical user interface AI coding editor similar to Cursor, where you can develop your coding applications directly as a inside desktop. So this is their official landing page, zcode.z.ai. I've given the link in the description. So once you land on this, you can directly download it for your operating system. It's completely cross-platform, Mac, Windows, Linux. I've already downloaded it. So the application will start like this. If you have an account on ZAI, you can instead use an API key. So if you have an account on chat.z, you can simply log in with your Google account to get started using this AI coding editor. So once the authorization completes, you will get this notification that it's a really nice editor from GLM. So authorization, you click on I accept, click on continue. Authorization is complete. So it's actually a Chinese based company and Z.ai. So once it completes, the interface will start. It will look something like this. We have a chatting interface where you specify what sort of application you want to generate. You also have this select project. So you can open a existing folder where all your applications are there. So let me just uh, open, create a new folder. So select this folder. After that, now to select the model, manage models, just click on that. And for individuals, developers, you can either subscribe to their coding plan, which is I haven't subscribed to their coding plan, so that's disabled. If you have an existing coding plan, that's good. And if you do have the API key, you can paste the API key, and then you can add a model. Or you have the third option. You click on Add Provider, and right here, name of the provider, base URL, API key, everything. If you are using Anthropic, Gemini, everything. So in this easy way, you can get started. Uh, so one disadvantage of this ZAI GLM, you do need to simply subscribe to their coding plan. If you do have, you click on subscribe, and the start plan has been subscribed, expired, and $18 the plan starts, as you can see. So if you have, I think we have an OpenRouter account. Let me just show to you how it works. OpenRouter, if you don't know, it's a very famous website for running the AI models for totally free. So I have this API key. So let me just create a. This is my API key. Let me copy this. Just paste it, the base URL OpenRouter. So what is the base URL of OpenRouter? Let me just ask ChatGPT what is base URL of OpenRouter. So yeah, so this is the base URL. So you paste the base URL, then select the model ID. So if you know base OpenRouter does contains free models as well. If you see you just need to paste, simply select the free model. Let me just, this is their model ID. I paste it, click on save, and then say add provider. So in this easy way, you can add the provider. After that, you go to you choose the model, and after that you say hi. So now this AI coding editor will use this model for totally free. So this is an option that you can use using OpenRouter. So it is little bit slow as compared to Cursor or other AI providers. So for the very first time, it's little bit slow. So now you will see that it is responding to me, and I can ask any kind of question here. Top 10 frameworks of Node.js in 2026. So you can now see it is responding. It also depends upon the model because it's a free model. It's not a very powerful model, so that's why it's taking it too much time. So the way remains the same. It's very simple. As you can see now it is responding. So definitely check this out. ZCode AI. They have their own AI coding editor which runs directly in the desktop.